Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering down and disconnecting everything to avoid shorts and data errors. Once the scanner is safe, visually inspect the cable and mark the damaged zone so you cut only bad conductors. Make sure you have a multimeter to verify continuity, a soldering iron or quality crimp connectors, and heat shrink to seal the repair. Now remove any strain relief or connector backshell to expose enough cable for a clean splice. This is where precise cuts prevent repeated failure. Once you expose the conductors, cut out the damaged section and work on a stable surface. Strip about 3 to 4 mm from each conductor and keep the shield or drain wire intact if the cable has one. It maintains noise rejection. Twist and tin stranded wires with solder or insert into properly sized butt crimps, because mechanical strength matters as much as electrical contact. Make sure matching color pairs are joined in the same order to preserve signal integrity and barcode protocol timing. After joining, slide heat shrink over each conductor and the whole splice, then shrink evenly to form a durable seal and restore strain relief. Reassemble the connector and any backshell, making sure the cable exits without pinching. Add a zip tie for extra support. Power the scanner and test against a known barcode while watching for errors. If the scanner still fails, check continuity across each conductor and the shield, verify connector pinout. And if intermittent faults remain, consider replacing the cable entirely as a final fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.